Hi everyone, it's Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. I'm doing the monthly market update for February for the Myrtle Beach zip codes. Excuse me, this is for January 2024. Today is February. It is February. However, we have to do it. The stats don't come out till the end of the month, beginning of February 1st. So 29577, 29575, 29579, 29572, and 29588. So let's take a look at what's happened compared to December. Okay, as you can see here, we everything has gone down as far as prices, unfortunately. December of 2023 was the best month out of 2023, and it was crazy. Interest rates did go down, and you can see from these numbers in the closed sales and all of that, and the price per square foot, how things have changed to compare to January. So 29577, the market common area, they were at 493, 475 in December. Average price was 424.54. Average days on market moved up almost 30 days. And also the average price per square foot went down from 203 to 183. Months of supply stayed the same. Listings went down just a bit from 98 to 86 in January. 75 pending closed sales compared to 34. Big difference there in 2024. And 92 closed sales compared to 21. That's a huge difference as well. 29575 is the Prestwick area of Myrtle Beach. And in December, we were at 448, 430 compared to, oh, wow. So that's good news. We're up in the Prestwick, 490. So that's one that went up. So that's good news. Average price, or excuse me, average days on market did go up from 84 to 107. Price per square foot is actually up in that area from 177 to 231. And these are basically just a little bit different. Months of supply, 3.2 to 3.6 in January. Days, well, active listings, look at that, big difference. 381, oh, excuse me, sorry, 90 compared to active listings, 131, so we have more now. 76 pending sales, 43, still pretty good. It's about half though, a little less than half. 109, ooh, big difference to 27 closed sales. So that's what the difference, although their price is more, so that's a good thing. 29579 is the Carolina Forest area. Back in December, it was 446,984 and closed at 492. So they're up too, 153. So that's good. And then average days on market, 110 compared to 116. Not bad at all. Difference there. 156 price per square foot. 153 dropped a little bit, $3. Price days on market, or excuse me, month supply is very similar, 2.8 to 2.2. Here's a little bit of difference, not too much. 381 active to 301. This is really different though. It's about half. 343 pending sales compared to 154. And then closed sales. Look how many closed sales. That was crazy. 403 compared to 104. Big difference. Okay, 29572 is like the Grand Dunes area. They were at 716, 186, and they went up in January. So that's good news. 724, 114. Days on market 153 to 207, staying longer on the market, but their prices are holding, so that's good. Actually going up from December. And 249 average price per square foot, 268. Wow, that's awesome news. Went up to 268. 57 active listings to 53. 47 pending to 19. So we went down in the pending, and 59 compared to 8. But that's okay. They're getting a higher price, just not selling as many. And the last one is 29588, which is off of 707. And so 387, 284 compared to, Wow, good for them. 403,724. So the only area that went down was 29577. Everybody else has went up in price. Average days on market, 95 compared to 132. So it's taking longer to sell, but they're getting a higher price. So guess you don't mind then, right? 153 is the price. Price per square foot is up compared to 148. Look at that. Less months of supply. That's one reason the price is going up. 223 active listings to 155. That's another reason the price is going up. Not as many listings. 228 compared pending sales, 104. So that's half of it. Oh my God, look at this. 246 closed sales compared to 71. So what's going to happen in the first quarter of 2024? Nobody knows. Not sure when the feds are going to be lowering the interest rate. It all depends on the inflation rate. So keep in tune with me. I do some now market updates about the mortgage rates as well. So tune in to any of my social media or give me a call at 843-222-7800. Thanks for watching. Take care.